Some traders swear by minimal charts, but others want every data point visualized. And that's where LuxAlgo fits in. It's a set of advanced indicators for platforms like TradingView, designed to highlight potential trade entries, exits, and market trends in real time. Unlike traditional moving averages or static indicators, LuxAlgo adapts its signals based on changing market conditions, giving traders customizable options for sensitivity and confirmation strength. Its core tool, the LuxAlgo Premium Indicator, overlays algorithm-generated buy and sell signals directly on your chart. You can choose conservative settings for fewer, high-confidence alerts, or aggressive ones for more frequent opportunities. This flexibility means it works for both beginners seeking guidance and experienced traders refining their strategies. Beyond simple signals, LuxAlgo includes automatic trend lines, dynamic support and resistance levels, and volume-based analysis. These features help identify potential reversal zones, continuation patterns, and breakout points. There's also a sentiment dashboard showing trend direction, market momentum, and volatility at a glance. LuxAlgo works best as part of an overall trading plan rather than a set-and-forget tool. It's not a guarantee of profit, but a decision support system that enhances your own analysis. Many users combine it with strong risk management rules, like predefined stop losses and take profits, to improve consistency. Getting started is simple. After subscribing, you connect your TradingView account, and the private LuxAlgo indicators are unlocked instantly. Updates roll out automatically, ensuring you always have the latest refinements. The company also offers educational resources, including tutorials, strategy breakdowns, and live sessions to help users interpret signals effectively. Its versatility spans markets. Whether you're trading stocks, forex, or crypto, LuxAlgo's tools can be applied with the same customizable framework. While it won't replace trading discipline or experience, it can help speed up analysis, reduce hesitation, and give a clearer view of market conditions. For traders wanting a blend of algorithmic precision and visual clarity without coding their own tools, LuxAlgo stands out as a professional-grade option that's accessible to all skill levels.